Good morning, everyone. This is Mary from Linbay Machinery. Today, I will introduce you a CZ Purlin roll forming machine production line. So now it's in the commission phase, and when it's finished, it will be shipped overseas soon. So the CZ profile is a basic profile in our roll forming industry. The CZ profile is commonly used in engineering and construction industry, for it can enrich the properties for our construction, like increase the intensity or to see increase the strength and the durability to the whole structure. And it's typically used to enhance the intensity of the floor joints too. So also we have the roll forming machine to do other profiles named after the shapes like U, Z, and Sigma Purlin roll forming machine too. So this production line will include the decoiler and the leveler, then the hydraulic pre-press, then the pre-cut, then the roll former, and the flying universal cut. Okay, now let's have a look at the details. For every production line, we usually start with the uncoiler. Here we adopt a 5-ton hydraulic decoiler. The biggest advantage of a hydraulic decoiler is it can help us to save the manpower cost, and it can keep the decoiler work more smoothly and steadily while uncoiling the coils. And here, and the 5-ton tonnage is already can suit much customers' needs. And here, so this production line can produce the materials thickness range is from 1.5 to 4 millimeters. So if the material thickness is thicker, the yield strength is bigger. So the elastic force of it and will be bigger. So it will be dangerous when we upload the coils. And here this is a arm press to help protect our workers' safety. Okay, so after the uncoiler, it will be the leveler. So the thickness is 1.5 to 4 millimeters. When the material thickness is over 1.5, or the yield strength of the material is over 300 MPa, the leveler is a precision machine, which is very important, and it can't be omitted due to the price. It can eliminate the stress on the coils and eliminate the crossbows on the coils too. After the leveler, the coils will be leveled. Then it comes to the flying hydraulic press. You can see the oil cylinder here up above the base, and there is the hydraulic valve there. They are both for control the hydraulic press. So this is equipped with a separate motor, and the brand is Yaskawa. So it can make the hydraulic press faster, and the motor can make the press tolerance smaller, which can have a high precision for the hydraulic cut. So after the hydraulic punch, then it comes to our hydraulic pre-cut. This is for changing the multi-sizes of our profiles. If we have multi-sized profile to produce, a hydraulic pre-cut will make it much more easier for let us change the weights of the feeding coils. And in this way to let the whole process much more cost effective too. And here there is oil cylinder and the hydraulic valve here. And after the cut, it comes to our main roll forming part. Here is iron cast and the gearbox universal joint structure. The iron cast is nowadays the most strongest way to frame the whole process line, and it's very durable and very stable too. And this structure enables it for bearing this high load of work and for bearing this heavy too. And not only this, the universal joint gearbox drive, you can see the gearbox is quite big the size, so it enables it for the high load of work too, and it make the whole process much more efficient too. And it's also very easy to maintain, to repair compared to the traditional chain drive mode, for it's like one by one individual component. And you can see the rollers here. So this production line can produce multi-sizes. The weight range is from 100 to 400 millimeter, and the height is from 40 to 100 millimeter. This is because we have the automatic adjustment function. Here you can see there are two main motors here. It will transmit the power to those reducers, and those reducers will supply the power for the rollers, and it will move backward or forward to change the gap between the rollers, and in this way to change the width or the height of the final profile. So you can just you only need to change the data on our PLC board, which will be introduced later. And then this is the differently with the traditional CZ production line, which will equip the handles for each stand of the roll former. Here we only equipped 3 handles on the side of the roll former, the iron cast. So you only need to twist the handle downward like 180 degrees. So it will change the rollers to downward, in this way to have the C shape to Z shape transmission. Also here we have 2 more handles like the former one. So here we only need 3 handles equipped on 3 stands of the roll former to change the C to Z, and in this way to have 2 profiles in production effect. Okay. So after the roll former, then it's the hydraulic universal cut. A hydraulic cut can make the cutting surface more smooth, no burrs, and more flat. And also it's equipped with a separate motor here. Then it can have a flying cut effect. It can cut the profile without pause. So, and also this universal cut, it only requires 1 set of blade. If you have the capability to adjust the position of the blade, it can be very cost effective for our production. So it only requires 1 set of blade. You can change the position of the blades or adjust the angles position of the blade. It can use 1 set of blade to cut multi-sizes of profiles. So here, this is the main control cabinet for our whole process. At the first, you maybe seems it's a little complicated for you, but also you can see it's ordered and it's very neat. So there's 2 main points here it's worth mentioning. One is here the electrical component. We all adopt international brands, electrical components like Yaskawa from Japan, and Siemens from German, and Schneider from French brand. So this international brand's electrical component ensures us the high quality of the electric components, and also it's better for our later maintenance too. So you can see it's all ordered well, so it's very easy to wire, and it's very easy to repair or to see. It's very easy for our later maintenance. Okay, so that's this our control cabinet. So this is our whole production line of the CZ Purlin roll forming machine. You can see the configuration is not complicated, but it's all customized by our customers' requirement and budget. You can tell us your interests and your needs. We will customize the machine, the configuration for you too. So, you may be worried about the commission of the machine. There's no worry for that. We will commission the machine before leaving the factory, and we will offer you the manual of use and the installation videos, and also the warranty time for you is 5 years for the motor, 2 years for the whole line, and a lifetime after-sale service. So if you are interested in our machines, please subscribe our channel or leave our message. We will contact you as soon as possible. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.